Jasmine is accompanied by her grandmother, Mrs. Lourdes Francia, and her brothers, Engineer and Alumna John Matthew Sison and Joshua Benedict Sison.
Para sa lola na lang.
Jasmine is also the recipient of the following awards: Leadership Award, Service Award, and ARS Award.
With honors, Jedrick Mark A. Alcaide. Jedrick is accompanied by his parents, Mr. Erickson Alcaide and Mrs. Dorothy Alcaide.
Congratulations.
He also receives the Club Member Award.
Thank you, Kuya.